Nachdem wir jetzt die Dichtungen
Once we have properly placed the seals in the profiles, we will now insert the well-cleaned solar glass into the frame.
in den Rahmen einlegen.
First, clean the solar glass with a window cleaner. Please work accurately, because once the frame is fixed with screws, it will be extremely difficult to clean the glass. The clean glass is lifted with the help of vacuum lifters and inserted into the frame. The edges of the glass should on both sides be placed on the sealing rubber. On the side of the collector that later will be at the top, we screw on a wooden strip.
After the solar glass has been inserted into the frame, we mount the fixing strips. Make sure that they snap into place correctly.
Dass sie original einrasten.
And then gently knock them in with a rubber hammer.
Mit einem Gummihammer anklopfen.
The strips are then fixed with metric screws. Any protruding sealing rubber can now be carefully cut off with a Stanley knife.
Now, the outer profiles are attached to the collector to protect it from the outside weather.
Den Kollektor vor Witterung zu schützen. Die Abdeckprofile.
The profiles are now screwed on with cylinder screws, and the front plate is screwed and riveted.
Wird verschraubt und vernietet.
Thank you for watching. In the next video, stress test for the finished collector.